Determinants of rural development. The process of rural development depends on a host of factors like natural resources, physical resources, and human capital, technology, socio political, economic structure of the country. Determinants of rural development are broadly classified into economic factor and non economic factors. The term rural development is the major concern, particularly when one is focused upon promoting effective growth and development of the country. The term rural development can be used in a divergent state as a concept. It can promote overall development of rural areas. Overall development. It has been acknowledged on a comprehensive basis that improvements in overall quality of life of the rural individuals can lead to augmentation of rural community. Apart from enhancing the overall quality of life of the individual, the other areas that need to be taken into consideration are agriculture, farming practices, industries, factories, craftsmanship, skills and abilities of the artisans, healthcare facilities, medical centers, socioeconomic infrastructure, and financial and human resources. Human resources पे बहुत ज़्यादा focus है. Development primarily takes place when there is interaction between various physical, technological, economic, socio-cultural and institutional factors. इनमें जब interaction होगा तब development possible है. It is necessary for rural individuals to generate awareness and put into practice the measures that would promote effective growth and development. और इसमें जो interaction है उसको promote करना. Rural development is a strategy to enable a specific group of individuals. कौन सा group? जो rural community group है. To acquire opportunities for themselves for the purpose of sustaining better livelihood for themselves and their families. The poverty stricken and underprivileged sector of the society cannot accomplish their desire, their goals, and objective of their own. इतनी कैपेसिटी ही नहीं होती कि वो अपने डिजायर और अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट्स को खुद से मीट कर सकें, फुलफिल कर सकें. They do need help and support from other individuals, from different organizations, from different agencies and programs, and from the government departments. Hence, making provision of assistance to rural individual to bring about improvement in their living condition and in the promotion of welfare and goodwill is regarded as rural development. When improvement needs to be made in rural areas, it is essential to develop and utilize natural and human resources, technology, infrastructural facilities, institution and organization, and government policies and programs. These aspects are wholeheartedly dedicated toward promoting economic growth, employment opportunities, education, technical knowledge, participation in social, economic, political, cultural, and religious activities, active participation, and bringing about transformation in the overall quality of life of the rural community, of the rural individuals.